today or tomorrow. I will find a way to dry away my tears. I will find a way to take away my fear. I know my task is easy, Lord, my face I do not hide. I know my task is easy, I have you by my side. Because of your mercy, Lord, and the love you freely give, I know you want the best for me as long as I live. So I will find a way to show you how I care. I will find a way to show you I am near. I will find a way to leave behind all my strife. I will find a way, Lord, to go on with my life. In you, Lord, I have found a way. You are here with me. I have found a way. You have left me see. I will find a way each time your Spirit speaks. I will find a way when you I see. Jesus, I will see your face. Jesus, I will seek your grace. Jesus, I will seek you, and I will find a way.